Sino po ang para magamit ang unprogrammed appropriation, sino ang nag-a-approve ng special budget request ng DPWH through the Secretary?
Ang Department of Budget and Management po.
Ang Department of Budget and Management, tama po ba yun?
Tama
No?
po.
Final answer?
Tama po.
Yes. Pero sabi po, if we go to section 35, chapter 5, book 6 of EO number 292, let me just read it. Section 35, special budget for lump sum appropriations. Expenditures from lump sum appropriations appropriated for any purpose for any department, office, or agency in any annual General Appropriations Act or other act, and from any fund of the national government shall be made in accordance with the special budget to be approved by the President.
By the President. By the President.
So ang approval po ay Presidente. Tama o mali? Binasa ko na po eh.
Well, yes, tama.
Tama po. So in other words, ayon na po rito,
Your
ang
Honorable-
nag-aproba po ng lahat ng mga proyekto sa unprogrammed appropriations ay ang Presidente mismo. Madam Speaker, let me then wind up. No? Ang sabi po ng Palasyo na wala pong role ang Presidente sa issue ng flood control. No? Hindi siya involved sa corruption. However, ang malinaw po na na-establish natin, actually, yung approval ng more than almost over 2,000 or 4,000, over 4,000 additional infrastructure projects funded from unprogrammed appropriations, particularly in 2023 and 2024, ay lahat po yan para mapondohan from unprogrammed appropriations, kailangang aprubahan po ng Presidente.